Azure, or more formally known as Microsoft Azure, is an ever-expanding set of cloud services with the ability to meet everyday business challenges. Azure gives users the ability to build, manage, and deploy numerous applications across an enormous global network. Azure utilizes their vast network of resources to bring you the best service possible. Because it is the only consistent hybrid cloud, it is able to cover any industry over more regions than any other provider. 5 main pillars make up the motivation behind customers' usage of Azure. First, continuous innovation from Microsoft supports growing technological updates as the future nears. This allows your organization to stay ahead of the curve. Next, with the ability to build on your own terms, you have complete control over what you make and where it goes. Third, you'll be able to use cohesive security management with built-in identity platforms, AI through Azure's cognitive services, and database consistency with no code changes. All of this runs seamlessly through the hybrid cloud. Next, you can trust the cloud, as over $1 billion is invested annually in security for protection of data. And lastly, Azure is a pay-as-you-go type of service with price cuts for using Windows systems and servers. All of these offerings make Azure the largest portfolio in the industry.
Azure costs start at about $13 a month, but after that, the price only goes up for the services you use for your organization. Microsoft Azure has a cloud computing framework that is designed to help create and implement the business and technology strategies necessary for your organization to succeed in the cloud. It provides the best practices, documentation, and tools that cloud architects, IT professionals, and business decision makers need to successfully achieve their short and long-term objectives. Infrastructure as a service supports web apps, including storage, web and application servers, and networking resources. Your organization can quickly deploy web apps and easily scale infrastructure up and down when demand for apps is unpredictable.
Azure has several strategic advantages. So 95% of Fortune 500 companies trust their businesses on Azure, which says a lot because that's most of the economy. 90% compliance offerings are also a part of Azure, which is the largest in the industry. A general idea of what the technology is a cloud computing service that can help your organization meet its business challenges. It also gives you the freedom to build, manage, and deploy actions on a global network using your preferred tools. This allows you to be future ready. It also allows you to build on your teams and have trust in the cloud that you're using. As far as security goes, Azure is one of the top secure clouds. It's backed up by a team of experts in proactive industry-leading compliance that's trusted by enterprises, governments, and startups. Azure invests $1 billion each year to protect customers' data from cyber threats.
With Azure, looking at your cost savings and cost management is very simple. You just go to cost management and then you'll be able to see your billing. Everything is very straightforward. You can add more or take some things out and pay less, so it's a pay-as-you-go service, and there's different budgets and stuff like that. But with Azure, you can expect a return on investment over 5 years of 465%, which is worth an average of $4.2 million. Now, Azure is a very simple program to use. There's a lot that you can do with Azure, but there's a lot of help buttons. You can go ask questions on the forums. There's always support. There's different apps you can download to help your business. And some of the benefits from Azure that's unique in Business Center is, just to mention a few, is app management, flexibility, agility, compliance, storage, security, and analytics support. And that's just to name a few. So with this, you can expect to invest in something that's definitely going to help your business and help you achieve good cost savings, and also a return on investment that's guaranteed. And then with Azure, you can always start with a 30-day free trial, and then you can pay as you go. So as you add services, as you can see, you will be paying for what you need. So I encourage you to get Azure, use it for 30 days as a free trial, and see what your company can achieve with Azure.